I hope we have fun. There's a blooper for us. Corn on the cob. Just fell into the sink. We're still recording, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Shot, please.
Sorry.
That didn't work as planned. I think I'm gonna grab a beer and then I'll show you how to do a jam burger. Oh Lord. Some of the chipotle mayo. Maybe, if it wants to come out of my bottle. It doesn't want to come out of my bottle. There's what we needed to do. You want a taste, Kel?
Sure.
I bet you do. Ha! Major screw up. Some of the chipotle mayo. Maybe not again. Get your spaghetti squash. It's gonna be hot, and it's hot. So maybe get a towel. Chipotle mayo. Ugh. Chipotle mayo. I'm just gonna set that there for right now. Don't know how that happened. Fuck, you kidding me?
And
I forgot to hit record. It's my son Kel back. Almost lost our whiskey. Oops. You can never have enough, right?